How to add songs to a shared playlist. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Quick Guide. I am back here again with a short tutorial on how you can add songs to your Spotify shared playlist. So let's get into the video. Firstly, select the song that you want to add to your playlist. For instance, I have chose this song. Now tap on the three dots and again click on the Add to Playlist. Here you can see the playlist that is on your Spotify account. Now tap on the name of the playlist that is shared. For instance, I have my shared playlist named as Collaborative. I will just click on it and the song that I have selected will be added in my shared playlist. Hence, this is how easily and simply you can add songs to your shared playlist in your Spotify account. I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tech tips. We'll meet you all next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.